Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. It's Paper Pumpkin Week again. This is the September 2022 Spooky Treats Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's open up the kit and see what's in it. Okay, we have a sheet talking about the perks of Paper Pumpkin, exclusive stamp set, coordinates with the catalog. You can access refills, past kits, and sales. There's a satisfaction guarantee, and they're just fabulous. And this is the next one for October. And October and November will coordinate with each other. That's what they're saying. So that's that one. And then this is the kit to make these little treat boxes. This is 18 treat boxes in all that you can make. Again, full color instructions, ruler down the side, an overview of all the projects, and then here's all the contents on the back. Coordinates with basic black, crushed curry, fresh freesia, gray granite, orchid oasis, and pumpkin pie. And there's also some alternates on the back that you can look at. So let's get into this kit. Let's see what's in it. Okay, nice black tissue paper. We have got Orchid Oasis Stamp and Spot. That's one of the in colors. And we've got Trick or Treat, Enjoy This Spooky Treat, a ghost, a spider, some stars, spider web, and some bats, and Happy Halloween. And we've got, these are the, I believe, the wrappers for the treat boxes, the little slides that the drawers go into. So that is them. This is neat. I want to like that. Okay, and then we've got our adhesive dots, mini dimensionals, a whole bunch of little stars here, little adhesive embellishments. So, oh yes, little stars, 2 different sizes, and some tear and tape, probably for putting the boxes together. And here are the boxes. So we've got the orange, the pumpkin pie, we've got the basic black, and then we've got the basic white as well. Okay, and here are our embellishments for them. So we've got some scallops and some spider webs, and we've got the banners for the tags. Oh, and look at these little ghosts and spiders. Look at that. Is that not cute? But anyway, that is what is in the kit, and stand by. We're going to, in the next video, make the first of the 3 treat boxes. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the projects with the Spooky Treats September 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit.